Ready to supercharge your app with secure financial connections? Let's dive right into locating your Plaid public key, the secret ingredient for secure communication with the Plaid API. First, head over to the Plaid dashboard and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a Plaid developer account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API keys section, which is usually found in the settings or team menu. Look for it in the left-hand navigation of the dashboard. Now, within the API keys section, you'll find your public key clearly labeled. It's a string of characters that Plaid uses to identify your application during the connection process. Simply copy the public key. Be careful to copy the entire key, including any hyphens or special characters, to avoid errors. You'll use this public key within your application's code to initialize the Plaid link flow for development and testing. Remember, the public key is safe to use in client-side code. It is not a secret. That's how you find your public key. You're now ready to connect your app securely with Plaid.